Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Flow video generation errors in 2026. If Google Flow fails to generate your AI video, gets stuck during processing, or displays an error message, don't worry. I'll walk you through several practical solutions that can help resolve the problem. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Video generation requires a stable connection throughout the process. If your connection drops or becomes unstable, the generation may fail. Try reconnecting to your network or switching to a faster connection. Next, refresh the Google Flow page and try generating the video again. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt the generation process, and a fresh attempt may solve the issue. If you're using very long prompts or a large number of assets, try simplifying your project. Extremely complex prompts or heavy media files may take longer to process or increase the chances of an error. You should also verify that all uploaded images, audio files, or other assets are fully supported and uploaded correctly. If any file is corrupted or unsupported, remove it and upload it again before starting a new generation. Another helpful step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser. This removes temporary data that could interfere with Google Flow. Make sure you're using the latest version of a supported web browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Older browser versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues with AI-powered web applications. If browser extensions are enabled, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions, temporarily disable them and try generating your video again. You can also test the project in an incognito or private browsing window. Finally, if the problem continues even after trying these steps, Google Flow may be experiencing high server traffic or temporary maintenance. In that case, wait a while and try generating the video again later. And that's how to fix Google Flow video generation errors in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.